Welcome everyone, I am Al-Amin. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a clean and professional list using the free version of Elementor in WordPress. This guide is completely beginner friendly, so let's get started. First, come to the WordPress dashboard. Then we are going to create a page. Okay. Uh, Currently, I am going to create a post for the tutorial, so you can just create any page or post. Okay, so do not worry about that. So then you can click, after creating the post, you can click edit with Elementor. After coming the editing page, we are going to create a list. Okay, so I have created this post page. Now I need to create a list. Here is the sample. So first is note, and then there are some list option. Okay, so about the icon, okay, we can change it. Okay, we can create different type of icon. Okay, so first let's start making the list. Okay, first we are going to create a box or column. So then come to let's click add elements, then create, just drag and drop the heading, and in the heading we are going to use the notes. Okay, so first before that we are going to resize the box. Okay, so after that we are going to add list. Okay, so let's search for list. We can see there are multiple options. Okay, here is the free version of the icon list, and there is the Philox template list. Okay, if you are using a template from Philox, then you can have this. We will see this. Okay, and this is from the X Pro. X Pro add-ons from the X Pro plugins, which I am using for it, which I am using for currently. So first let's see the basic design. Okay, here is the basic list. Okay, if think that what about the other? Okay, uh, first if we click on the basic list, we can see the icon, and there are different type of icon. We can select the our uh, icon which we desire, and also let's see the other uh, list tools. Okay, there are multiple lists, like let's see the X Pro info list. Okay, uh, here is the info list. There is, okay, you can, we can see that there are different different icon, different style. Okay, uh, and what about the other? Let's see list. If we go to the in test taxonomy, let's add this. Okay, this is like this. Okay, if we add something like this, okay, this is like this. Okay, so we are just going to simple list, we do not need this. Okay, so just click and delete this. Okay, so now we are going to write this. Okay, so first of all let's select the icon. I'm going to take circle. For this I think this will be good, and see this changed. Okay, so now let's copy the text, then on the list first, on inside the text option we are going to paste our text. We are going to remove the extra part. Okay, so let's do the same for others. Copy and then paste. Okay, click in the circle, insert list item. Okay, also do the same. See first here, circle, insert, control V. As you can see that the now I don't have any of any other list option. So what I'm going to do is add a list. If I click on the add button, then we can, if we click on the add button, we can see that another list is appearing. So let's go again, do the same for it. Okay, Control C and list item, Control V, and circle. Okay, circle inside it. Okay, so we can see there are multiple options like this. Okay, if as currently you can see that the icon is now on the center. Okay, so what we want that we want to adjust the position of the icon. So let's come to style and let's click on the icon. Then let's click on the vertical, select the vertical alignment to the start. Okay, but you can see that when we click the vertical alignment on the start, this goes to way too up. Okay, so we are going to fix it. Adjust vertical position, we are going to come here and then we are going to change it. We are going to click change it and adjust it which we need. Okay, so then in this way we can adjust the uh, icon. Okay, so and this is it is. So we can see that we have made a list with a title, so it is very easy to make without any Pro Tools. Okay, so thank you for watching the video and please like and subscribe.